Hey dear members, I'm Khazir Bakhtiar, your admin, and I hope you all be doing well. So in this video, I'll be talking about the strategies that gonna be used and adopt while if you trading in the future. So this is the second tutorial video for the futures trade, but it's not gonna be the advanced video. It is just the strategies and tips and all those things that we have to keep in mind while trading in the future. So first of all, cross is recommended to pro traders trading in the future, and isolated is recommended to newbies. And if you are trading newly in future, so 10x or lower than 10x is recommended, like 5x, 6x, 7x, or 10x maximum. But if you are very sure about your position for short or long, so you can play with higher leverage, but we never recommend it to newbies. But if you are pro and you are very much sure about your position, so you can go with higher leverage with your own risk. Okay. So second thing I'll be talking about is that I've talked about it before, that never buy or sell, like never take a position for long or short or limit. Because why? We often give positions higher than the current rate of that coin. So if, for example, the signal for sushi is at 20.6 and it's 20.4 now. So if I buy it or long it with the limit and put the limit here 20.66, so it will not gonna be autofill this order, but it will start from the moment I long on the limit. My position will be started. Why? Because you can only long lower than the price of the coin, not higher the price of the coin. So that's why we recommend to put an alert for the position, and then once you receive the notification of the alert, you can buy on the market price once the entry price is reached. First thing. Then the leverage should be minimum, and cross if you're pro, and escalated if you're newbie. And then once you for example, have taken a trade, I'm gonna $10 here, transfer here $10. Okay, so now $10 is here. I'm gonna take a trade of let me show it to you. 20.66 and okay, so it's an 20.66. Okay. Oh, why it isn't? Okay. My internet connection is very slow because I'm in the basement. So it is succeeded. Now, once you put the order, you can put your take profit here. So this take profit and stop loss is like a single order. If you put a take profit here like for $24, you will get $7.3 over on your overall trade, for example. Okay, and your trade will be closed. All of your sushi coins will be sold out on that particular point when the price of sushi reaches to $24. And you can also put the stop loss here, like for example, it's $18. Your trade will be closed on $4.69, but it will be closed as a whole. All of your sushi coins will be sold and your position will be closed overall. But if you want to put positions for take profit, like take profit 1, 2, 3, and 4, so for that you can use the close position. Here is the option that you can use. Again, my connection is too weak as I'm in the okay. So here you if you want to sell, for example, if you have bought a position, if you have a long a position or short a position, and you are in profit and you want to sell that coin in on the market price, for instance, as the limit is like it takes time when it reaches the limit, and then it is sold or bought. So for example, if you want to sell a coin with profit in the market price, you can use the market here. Okay, but if you want to like put orders for take profit, so you can use limit here. And again, my connection is a little bit weak, uh, as it was very much nice. Okay, so you can also put take profits here, like for example 24. My first take profit on 24, so I sell 25% or 25 or 50% of my sushi on 24. And for example, my second take profit is $26, so I again will sell 25 or 50% of my sushis the position I've bought here on $26. When it reaches the $26, and my profit will be $5.65 on this position. So it is the way that we give you 4 or 3 position take profit, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the way that you put your take profits here for convenience. And you like not you don't have to watch the coin, that is it is going up or down. You directly put your profits here, and also your stop loss here, and like keep your mobile screen turned off for the trade. uh, okay, anything else that I've left? If you want to take a trade with take profit or stop loss, like if you're taking a trade and you want to close that trade, if you want to take that trade with take profit and stop loss from the beginning, so you can use this option, take profit and stop loss. Okay, reduce only and post only is not for us. It is like useless. Don't use this option. uh, like if members want to know about these, I'll discuss about it in later videos, but it is not of our use. You can consider it useless. And yeah, this was the strategy. So you have to buy on the market price, and for market price you have to set the alarm, put the alarm, and for the alert you can use you may have to go in the spot, and in the spot in graph, here's the alert, and you can put the alert here. And once you are notified, you have to buy or long that position of that coin. And once you get profit, you can close with either of your with either of the ways, like if you want to sell with the market, or if you want to take profit in chunks, in parts, 25% or 50%. That's up to you. Take care.